according to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, emphasizes the importance of emotional intelligence, self-control, and understanding the true meaning of strength, which are highly relevant in today's world. In a world where conflicts, both personal and societal, often arise due to a lack of self-control and understanding, this hadith reminds us of the real essence of strength. According to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, strength is not about harming others and committing sins out of anger. Instead, true strength lies in being able to control one's anger. According to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, your strength should be such that you can manage your emotions skillfully, especially when you are angry. If you can control yourself when anger arises, that is a real strength. Researchers have investigated this aspect using various methods, including interviews with prisoners, psychological examinations, and statistical analysis of crime reports. Some studies demonstrate that many acts of violence are not premeditated but occur in moments of intense emotional arousal when self-control is compromised. Similarly, many societal issues such as domestic violence or political conflicts are also places where this hadith's principles can be applied. These are situations where people act out of uncontrolled anger and emotions. According to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, we can protect ourselves and others from many problems. According to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, encourages us to develop emotional intelligence and self-control, recognizing that true strength is not in harming others but in managing our emotions effectively.